So the Pixie Plus was created to become a replacement for a remote control in a classroom for, say, a projector or a flat screen display, removing that often lost or missing battery-operated remote control with a wall-mounted control system like the Pixie Plus. It's modular, it comes with a number of buttons that you can choose, including multiple on and off sources and volume or blanks, so you set it up the way you want to set it up that matches up to your application. The Pixie Plus does IR, RS-232 serial, that is, and relay with an additional emitter. It can be connected with multiple emitters controlling multiple devices, and each button can control up to 4 discrete device functions in a macro or round robin. The Pixie Plus is a one-gang solution. It comes with a Decora style bezel, which you can put any kind of Decora cover plate over it. The programming is done with a paperclip for IR. For anything beyond IR, including relay and RS-232, you'll use the programming wand. It is a USB type device. You plug it into your computer, you program it through there, you send the program to the wand with a button click, and then you take this battery operated device, you hang it on the Pixie without the cover plate on it, you turn it on, it'll squirt in the code and give you a signal that it did it accurately. So everything from serial control, relay, or even our real-time clock module, which is an optional piece. We also do the Pixie in custom plates. This is a Pixie with a couple of inputs. We've got a USB and an HDMI. We can do custom labeling on this, and we can do a 3-gang or 2-gang. If you want to keep this separate from the Pixie, we can do that as well. But we offer the services of doing custom plates, as well as custom configuration and custom connectorization in 232 control systems. Okay, so the Pixie Plus has modular buttons, and you can use a number of different button options for the center section. So if you have HDMI functionality, or DVI, or some blanks, or some other features like source mute, source freeze, we have optional buttons that you can include with the Pixie at no cost when you order it with the Pixie and get that button that meets your application. The Amplink system is an innovative design for audio that uses a distribution model like this, our distribution Amplink hub, as well as the Amplink AMP10 amplifier modules, or pucks, that attach to each speaker. The hub design has 2 inputs that will come off of a projector or a switcher or some other device, feeding into here, and it will be distributed over a category cable to control these amplifier pucks. The amplifier pucks are the actual power of the system. These are attached to each speaker, and the positive and negative points on your speaker will be connected here. The really cool thing about this solution is that each amplifier puck can be set up to be 10 watts, 4.5 watts, 1 watt, or 1/3 of a watt, and they are set by these dip switches. The other thing you can do is change each one of them from a left channel, a right channel, or mono. So even though they can be on the same Cat 5 run, they can be set up independently based on your application. Now the hub itself has a limit to 20 watts per port. So if you run the AMP10 puck at 10 watts each, you can daisy chain 2 of these and hang another one off of here, giving you the full 20 watts. If I change this to 4.5 watts, I can actually run 4 of them off of one run. If I change it to 1 watt, we can actually run up to 20 per port here. The power supply that comes with is 65 watts, giving you 60 watts of power, and then we have another alternative power supply that gives you the ability to run 20 watts off of all 4 ports if needed.